If you're looking for a company to build, rebuild, inspect, manage, repair, or provide parts for an electrostatic precipitator for your work site, Whitehead Construction Inc. has you covered. Since 1986, Whitehead Construction Inc. has provided clients with all of their air pollution control equipment needs, specializing in bag houses, ESPs, SCR replacements, inlet and outlet ducts, basically any services related to an electrostatic precipitator or other environmental control equipment. WCI boasts a better than 95% customer retention rate. With a skilled and energetic team, WCI will work with you from the ground up. They offer one of the lowest EMRs in the air quality control industry, and on-staff OSHA and MSHA authorized instructors ensure that all of the employees are trained to the most current OSHA and/or MSHA standards. Supervisors have daily timesheets to eliminate the guesswork surrounding man hours. To ensure fast response times and low costs, WCI maintains an office in Tennessee and has supervisors and equipment throughout the country. To learn more about how to schedule maintenance on your electrostatic precipitator, call 800-337-1401 or visit precip.com.